Introduction to soy protein isolation.
The soy protein isolate is a highly purified form of protein derived from soybeans. It's widely used in food technology, especially in plant-based alternatives to meat and dairy. Understanding how soy protein is isolated helps explain why it's so important for creating products with the right texture, nutrition, and taste for modern consumers.
From soybeans to protein flour.
The process starts with cleaned, dehulled soybeans that are cracked and processed to remove their oil, creating defatted soy flakes. These flakes are then ground into soy flour, which contains protein, carbohydrates, fiber, and trace oils. This flour is the starting material for extracting the pure protein that will be isolated.
Extracting the protein.
To isolate the protein, the soy flour is mixed with water and sometimes a mild alkaline solution. This dissolves the protein and leaves behind carbohydrates and fiber. The protein-rich solution is then separated from the remaining solid matter, creating a liquid that contains mostly soy proteins.
Precipitation and purification.
Next, the protein solution's pH is adjusted, usually by adding acid to cause the soy protein to precipitate or solidify out of solution. This protein curd is then washed and neutralized to remove any remaining impurities or flavors, resulting in a highly pure soy protein isolate, which is about 90% protein by weight.
Applications in food technology.
Soy protein isolate is prized for its neutral taste, smooth texture, and high protein content. Food technologists use it in plant-based meat, non-dairy milks, protein bars, and meal replacements to enhance nutrition and mimic the texture of animal products. Its versatility helps create familiar, enjoyable foods for people seeking alternatives to traditional animal-based products.